Today, you are going to master the difference between say, tell, speak, and talk completely. You will learn everything you need to know, from the basic grammar rules to the common mistakes that almost everyone makes.
And make sure to stay with us until the very end, because we have a special detective story where we use all 4 verbs together and a big quiz to test your brain.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I am Sara.
And I am Jack. We are so happy to see you again.
This lesson has 3 parts. Part 1 is say versus tell. Part 2 is speak versus talk. And Part 3 is putting them all together in real-life stories. Let's start with Group 1.
Group 1 is say and tell. These words focus on the message and the information, but the grammar is totally different.
Jack, tell us the golden rule for tell.
The golden rule is very simple, but very strict. Tell needs a person. You must always tell someone. Imagine an arrow pointing from your mouth directly to another person.
So we say, tell me, tell him, tell her, tell us, tell Jack, tell my father.
Exactly. You cannot just say, I told that I was happy. That is an incomplete sentence. You must say, I told him that I was happy. The person is necessary.
Okay, that is clear. Now, what about the golden rule for say?
Say focuses on the words themselves. You do not put a person immediately after say. That is the big rule.
So we say hello, we say goodbye, we say yes, we say no.
And most importantly, we never say me. Please, if you have a notebook, write this down in big red letters. Never say me. It sounds very wrong to a native speaker.
But Jack, what if I really want to include a person with say? Is it impossible?
It is not impossible, but you must use the small preposition to. You can say, he said to me that he had a car.
He said to me. Okay. But honestly, Jack, do we use that often in daily conversation?
To be honest, no. Native speakers are a little bit lazy. We prefer tell. Instead of saying, he said to me that he was hungry, we just say, he told me he was hungry. It is faster and easier.
So the advice is, if you have a person, use tell. If you have just the words, use say.
Let's practice this immediately with a mini-game. I will give you a situation, Sara, and you choose the right verb. Imagine you are angry. Do you say me you are angry or tell me you are angry?
I tell you I'm angry because you is a person.
Correct. And do you tell sorry or say sorry?
I say sorry because sorry is a word, not a person.
Perfect. What about a name? Do you say your name or tell your name?
This is tricky. I think if I'm just speaking the word, I say my name. But if I'm giving you the information, I tell you my name.
Exactly. Please tell me your name. That is the most common way.
Now, Jack, English always has exceptions. Are there any times when we use tell without a person?
Yes, there are some very important fixed phrases. These are called collocations. In these specific cases, we use tell even if we don't mention a person.
Can you give us the list?
Sure. We always say, tell a lie, tell the truth, tell a story, tell a joke, and tell the future.
So I can say, Jack is good at telling jokes. I don't need to say, telling me jokes.
Exactly. Tell a joke is a set phrase. It never changes.
Okay, I think we understand Group 1. Tell plus person. Say plus word. Let's move to Group 2. Speak and talk.
These 2 verbs describe the action of producing language. They are synonyms, meaning they are very similar, but the feeling or the vibe is different.
The main difference is formality. Speak is usually formal. It is serious. Talk is usually informal. It is casual.
Think about a professor at a university giving a lecture. Does he speak to the students or talk to the students?
He speaks. It feels like a presentation. One person talking to many people. It is official.
Now, think about two best friends sitting at a coffee shop. Are they speaking or talking?
They are talking. They are chatting. It is an exchange. I talk, you talk, I talk, you talk. It is like a ping-pong game of words.
Also, there's a very strict rule about languages. This is another common mistake. When we mention a language like English, Spanish, or French, we always use speak.
Yes, we say, I speak English. Do you speak Chinese? She speaks 3 languages.
We never say, I talk English. That sounds very childish, like a baby learning to speak.
So, speak for languages, talk for conversations. But what about phone calls?
That is a good question. Let's try a tricky one. If I want to call my boss on the phone, do I ask to speak to him or talk to him?
If it is your boss, you want to be polite and professional, so you should say, "Can I speak to Mr. Smith, please?"
Exactly. But if I call my brother Mike,
You say, "I want to talk to Mike." It is casual and friendly.
also, we have some idioms with these words. For example, speak your mind. This means say what you honestly think.
And for talk, we have small talk. This means chatting about unimportant things, like the weather or traffic.
And talk nonsense, this means saying stupid or crazy things.
Okay, now comes the best part of the video. We are going to compare all 4 verbs in one single situation. This will help you see the difference clearly.
Let's imagine a police investigation. A crime happened. This is a detective story.
Ooh, I love mysteries. Okay, let's set the scene. The police officer enters the room to interview a witness.
First, the police officer wants to discuss the crime formally. He says, I need to speak with you. He uses speak because it is official police business.
Then the witness is nervous. He starts chatting about the weather because he is scared. The witness is making small talk. He uses talk because it is casual and nervous chatting.
The police officer gets angry. He wants facts. He says, tell me what happened. He uses tell because he wants information given to him directly, the person.
The witness starts crying. He shouts words. He says, I didn't do it. I am innocent. He uses say because he is focusing on the specific words, I didn't do it.
So look at the sequence. First, formal request, speak to you. Second, casual chat, small talk. Third, give info to a person, tell me. Fourth, shout words, say, I didn't do it.
Wow, that makes it so clear. You can see the different job for each verb in the same story.
Now, let's put this into a longer, funny role play. The scene is an office. Jack and Sara are co-workers. There's some drama happening at work. Jack knows a secret. Listen very carefully. We will use all 4 verbs many times. Psst, Sara, come here. We need to talk.
Why are you whispering, Jack? What is wrong?
I need to tell you a secret, but you must promise not to say a word to anyone.
I promise I won't tell a soul. What happened?
Okay, did you speak to the new boss this morning?
No, I didn't speak to him yet. He looks very serious. He doesn't talk much.
Well, I heard him talking on the phone in his office. He was speaking German.
Really? I didn't know he could speak German. What did he say?
I don't know. I don't speak German, but he sounded angry. And then he came out and told me to come to his office.
Oh no, that sounds scary. What did he tell you?
He told me that the company is losing money. He said that we need to work harder.
Did he say anything about firing people?
He didn't say exactly that, but he told me to speak to the marketing team immediately. He wants a formal meeting.
Wow, this is serious. We should stop talking and get back to work.
I agree, but to be honest, I think he was just talking nonsense. He looked nervous.
Maybe he was just telling a joke?
No, he never tells jokes. Anyway, don't say anything to Mike. Mike talks too much. If you say something, he will tell everyone in the office.
Don't worry, my lips are sealed.
That was a full office drama. Did you catch all the verbs? Let's review the key sentences from the story.
First, we had, we need to talk. This is for a private conversation.
Then, tell you a secret. Remember, tell plus you.
Say a word, because we focus on the words, not the person.
Speak to the boss, because the boss is formal.
Speaking German, because German is a language.
What did he say? We are asking about the content of his speech.
He told me. Tell plus me.
He told me to speak to the team. This is giving an instruction for a formal discussion.
And finally, Mike talks too much. This means he chatters a lot and maybe gossips.
If you understand this story, you are really mastering these verbs. Now, we are going to do something special, a listen and repeat practice.
Yes, your pronunciation and muscle memory are important. We will say a sentence, we will wait for a few seconds. You must say it out loud. Don't be shy. Speak to the screen.
Ready? Sentence number 1. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
Sentence number 2. She said goodbye. She said goodbye.
Sentence number 3. I speak English and Spanish. I speak English and Spanish.
Sentence number 4. Can we talk for a minute? Can we talk for a minute?
Sentence number 5. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Excellent job. You sound very professional. Now, are you ready for the final challenge? The mega quiz.
We have 12 questions today. This is tricky. You have to choose say, tell, speak, or talk. Sometimes 2 are possible, but look for the best one.
Question number 1. Please, me your name. The answer is tell, because me is a person. Tell me your name.
Question number 2. I want to something important. The answer is say, because something is words, not a person. Say something.
Question number 3. My grandmother likes to stories about the past. The answer is tell. Tell stories is a fixed phrase.
Question number 4. Can you Japanese? The answer is speak. It is a language.
Question number 5. The teacher told the students to stop talking. The answer is talking, because they were casually chatting in class.
Question number 6. Did he you about the party? The answer is tell. Did he tell you? Tell plus person.
Question number 7. He was tired. The answer is said. No person is mentioned. He said he was tired.
Question number 8. The president will to the country tonight. The answer is speak. It is a formal speech.
Question number 9. Never a lie. The answer is tell. Tell a lie.
Question number 10. What did you to him? Be careful, there is a to. The answer is say. You say to him. If you want to use tell, you must remove the word to.
Question number 11. I hate making small talk. The answer is talk. Small talk.
Question number 12. Please speak up. I can't hear you. The answer is speak. Speak up means talk louder.
Wow, that was a marathon. If you got 12 out of 12, you are an English expert.
And if you made mistakes, don't worry. This is one of the hardest topics in English. Just watch the video again tomorrow. Repetition is key.
Now, we have homework for you. We want you to use your new skills. Please write 2 sentences in the comments.
Sentence 1. Start with, I told, and mention a person. For example, I told my sister a secret.
Sentence 2, start with, I want to speak, and mention a language or a person. For example, I want to speak Italian.
Write them below. We read every single comment, and we love seeing your progress.
Thank you for studying with us today. You are doing great. Don't forget to tell your friends about our channel.
And we will talk to you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone!